Blonde makeup challenge with this, guys. This is a makeup, and let's go. Okay, first we need to use this. I don't know what is this for. Why are you laughing? Oh my god. This right. Nope, nope, nope. It was not right. Where is it go? This? Yeah, maybe this. Mom, please. Okay, this right. Yeah. Okay. Mm, okay, that's good. I'm gonna some blush. Where's the blush, guys? Okay, but let's find the blush. It's this one. I think so. I think this is right. Certain if you didn't see the blush. Okay, we need this. First. This is just fake. We need this. And we need